You are doing well. In last video of Python, I teach you how to print, how to input a float string, and integer value. Okay, and also we make a formula for the square root. Now this time I will teach you how to make a formula for a circle to make the area. Okay, how to input radius, how to prepare the area formula, and how to print the actual area with the value. Okay, so first of all, as we know, I have to input for making or know the area of a circle. I have to mention a radius. Suppose r is our radius, then simply type equal to, then I have to choose float option. Float option I choose because it's maybe some digit, like point something, like else not a whole number. Okay, that's why I am always choose float. You can input, if you input a whole number, then you can choose input in integer int. Okay, in the instead of float, simply then bracket. Okay, then input I will put, then I will make a string. That's why I am using double quotes. Last video I used double quote instead of double comma. Okay, I mistakenly made double comma. Okay, but it was double quotes. You should remember. Simply type enter the value of the radius of the circle. Then press enter. Then I will make the formula. Area formula is of the circle is area equal to pi. Pi, which is indicated by 22 by 7 in bracket always. Otherwise it makes another meaning. Then I have to put the r value. R is the, here I have put the r as a variable. Okay, r 2 times into, and I give 2. If you feel difficult to know this, I already mentioned in my last video. Okay, how to make a square of a value. Okay, simply enter. Then I will print the function. Simply type area. Area will is a integer, that's why I giving in double quotes. As I first of all mention the area, then the digit which came from the formula, and then square unit, as the square unit is the unit of the area. Then I simply type area, the formula name. Okay, as you can see, then comma, then simply type a string which is in square unit, is the unit of the area. It's maybe meter square, whatever you want. Okay, I simply mention in square unit, that's why I am not mention any kind of system, mks or si, something like this. Okay, then simply press enter and make it run. Sorry, I mistakenly make, I have to put this one also in bracket. Then make it run again. So this time it's asking for the radius value. Okay, I will put 10. Simply press enter. As you can see, the area is coming 314,2875 square square unit. Let's check in the calculator. So 22 by 7 into 10 into 10 means 100. So the value is 31428, something like this, as same as the result came here. Okay, so it's mean this formula and the functioning has been correct. Okay, so next what should I do? I will simply want to make a volume formula of a cube. Simply, I will make a variable first, then I will input the formula of the volume of the cube, then I will make print option for the output. Okay, simply type, suppose A is the side of a cube. Okay, simply type like last one. I copy this, enter this time, it will be a cube, and this one not the radius, a side. Okay, simply press enter, then print area first. Area will be 4 square, 4 into A is our variable, double star into 2, and volume formula is 4, make it bracket, 4 by third, sorry, formula for volume, formula is double triple A cube. As we know, the formula of the cube is, let's, as you can see, side cube, that's mean A cube is my formula. Okay, then simply A star star 3. Okay, formula is this, then I have to print. First I will print the area as is a string I have given in double quotes, then comma, then simply type the area which is given as a function, then comma, simply square unit. This time I will make it meter square, square meter. Okay, next I press enter, then simply Control C, Control V, copy, make volume. This time I will give the variable as I given as a volume formula, then cube meter. Okay, so this time I will simply choose this one. So as you can see, it's asking for the cube value of the side of the cube. I will give 20. It will give the area first, as the formula is 4 square, and the second one give the volume of the cube. Volume is A cube. So let's check in the calculator. 4 into A square. A was 20 into 20. So it came 1600, 1600. 1600, as you can see, 1600 square meter is the area, and the volume is 8000. Let's check. 20 into 20 into 20. Okay, 8,000. That's mean I am correct. I have no mistake in this function or in this programming. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you understand how to input or insert a mathematical formula of to find the area and the volume of a shape or cube.